If you think all cats are the same, then you haven't met an albino cat. Let's dive into their magical world. Albino cats aren't just white cats, they lack melanin, which gives them their stunning white fur and light blue or pinkish eyes. This rare genetic trait makes them super sensitive to sunlight, so they need extra care to protect their delicate skin and eyes. But boy, are they worth it. Albino cats are known for their gentle and affectionate nature. They might be rare, but they're full of love, just waiting to be found. So next time you see a snow white kitty, look closer. You might just be looking at one of nature's rare beauties.